Hey guys, TechGeek here again with another video, and today I'm going to be unboxing the 14-inch MacBook Pro. So I recently picked this computer up and it has been my new primary machine. This is the model with the upgraded 24-core M1 Max processor, 32 gigs of RAM, as well as a 1TB SSD. So taking the plastic off of the box, this is something that's kind of weird because it's different between the iPhone and the MacBook box this year, as they still kept the plastic on the outside, but the wrapping around the actual MacBook in the box is a new recyclable paper material. First thing inside the box, of course, is your documentation designed by Apple in California. This is some pretty standard stuff. Then you have your, I believe this is the 96 watt MagSafe, or the 96 watt USB-C charger. This is really nice. It'll charge your MacBook right up. And talking about MagSafe, here's the new MagSafe 3. It's nice that MagSafe is making a return to the Mac. I really like it. I will continue to use USB-C most of the time when it's docked, but when I take it on the go, MagSafe is really nice to have. And here's the computer. I got it in space gray this year. I sort of thought that I would have wanted to get it in silver, but I saw the space gray. I really liked it. The squared off form factor is super, super nice. Reminds me of the white MacBook from a couple years ago, except this time it's in aluminum. So I will have my full video about this coming up soon. I've been really excited about this computer and about this MacBook Pro in particular. To check that out, make sure to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.